Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is part one of how to install a GFCI, ground fault circuit indicator receptacle in a commercial building. Now we're running this circuit off of 110 volts. So this is called fire. This is a fire ring extension. That's what you use when your screws are that deep back in the box. Now, what we're going to look at first is we want to ground our box. Make sure our box is grounded. So we got our box grounded. Now, we also have to ground our GFI. So we have to what's called a pigtail. So we'll have to strip these back, put them together, hang another wire off of them, and that's what you call a pigtail. So the ground fault circuit indicator will be off. Now you install these when there's any type of water, moisture, or anything like that is going to get to these boxes here. And this is your black being your hot wire, which is not, it's not powered, it's not up. If you always want to double check to see if the wire is hot, and you just tap it up against something metal, and if it sparks out, then it's not hot. See, it's not hot, but it is hooked up to the panel, but the breaker's just not on. So this is a GFI. This is the cover for it, right here. Now, on a GFI, you have what is called a line side, and a load side. We are going to hook to our line side always, because we're not taking it to another load. So the line, meaning power coming into the GFI. Now, what happens is, when you hook this GFI up and it gets hot, it gets wet, moisture gets in it, it will trip out. The breaker will trip, and it will save your building from burning up. So now I'm going to show you how to do it. We take out our little Milwaukee drill. Oh, but we got a flathead there. No problem. Got something for that. So with the tip set.